Are you serious?
I mean, I feel somebody pass sitting a jump on my head.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do the part 3 of me taking out my braids, prepping my hair, and this video is going to be me braiding my hair into a celebrity hairstyle. So the hairstyle is inspired by Tessa Thompson, and I saw this picture on Pinterest, so I asked my Instagram should I try it, and then they was like yes. So today I'm actually going to replicate this hairstyle, and I'm gonna show you how to do knotless braids on myself. And without any further ado, let's start this video. But today's hair that I'm using is by this company on Amazon. The company is named Youngther, I believe it is. I actually got like 8 packs of hair, Prestretched braiding hair, 26 inches. So it's 26 inches. The hair is actually in the color 1B 350. So it's like it goes from black to like a brownish reddish end. So it's ombre hair basically. I'm gonna take out the package for you guys and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, so the instruction says it cannot be perm, dyed, or bleached. Okay, so from like the first feel of it, it's really soft, and I'm not just saying that because like I got this hair. So it goes from like a brownish black to like a reddish brown. I'm finna show you throughout the video how I braid with this hair. Yeah, so, and it shows you the different colors. It comes in 1B, T1B 27, which is like an ombre to like a blondish blackish ombre, 1B 30, T1B 350, which is what I have, and T1B 30/27. And it comes with a mirror, braid clips, and 2 clips. Oh, look at the mirror, it's so tiny. This is so adorable. The clips. Okay. Oh, it comes with a crochet hook. Yeah, a crochet hook. This can be really handy. Braid jewelry. So like these little pieces and another clip. I'm gonna put this on my hair because I need to keep it down. Okay, before I move on, I'm actually gonna go to my bathroom to show you like a higher view on how I part these parts, because in the photograph, like the parts, you can tell that they're really big, so I have to give you like a wider view. You feel me? These clips kind of make me look cute. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, see you. Let me unscrew this. Oh, Lord. Okay, finally on the actual tutorial. First, I'm going to take down these clips because I have to start. And by the way, based on my previous video, my hair did fluff out because it was really hot in the bathroom. So as you can see, the hair is a totally different color from my hair. And I'm going to do the parting process. So what I like to do is sit down in front of my bathroom mirror and use a mirror in front of me to see the back of my head and continuously part until it's actually defined. And in this hairstyle, I'm doing it ear to ear because I'm going to part 2 braids there. Are you serious?
I mean, I feel somebody pass sitting a jump on my head. Respect. Go get the chocolate cap for me.
So when coming on to parting the hair, I was kind of confused, so this was like a test trial, but after a few times I kind of figured out. So like I used the, what do you call it, the edge of my eyebrow, no, the arch of my eyebrow, and then I went straight down so that I can part the middle of the hair, and I did that at the other side as well. When everything is braided down, it's a total of 8 braids, and I took a little water break, you know, kind of tired. It's like, what, 3 a.m.? So on to the braiding part. I don't have my braiding rack, so of course I use my door, and I begin to use the Murray's Edgewax and Shine and Jam, which is down in the description box below with the supplies, and we're gonna start. Okay, starting off, I start in a braid pattern and I place the braiding hair underneath 2 strands, and I braid down twice. Then I add another piece of braiding hair and I repeat that process all the way to the end. So it's like braiding your hair and then you're just adding a piece gradually. Yeah, it's like a feed-in braid. Oh, and as you're braiding, especially towards the top, make sure when you start the braid that you're tucking in the hair underneath the braid so it can look as like clean and not so as puffy, because I realized that a couple of days later. So yeah, I'm just starting off the top braids really neatly so I can finish it off nice. Okay, Sorry, I skipped that because something went in my eye and it was killing me. This is the last braid, I'm telling y'all. So it's now time for the mousse part, and I didn't really put it on my hair specifically because I know that if I put it on my hair and I put a scarf on it, it's gonna wave back up, and I didn't really want it in its curly state right now. So I just mainly focused on the braids and smoothing it down there. And don't you see that smiley face on my neck made with the mousse? Y'all see it, or it's right there. And this is the final result of the video, you guys, of these Tessa Thompson braids. You see that part? What do you guys think? Comment down below, what do you guys think about this hairstyle? And if you like the video, and definitely subscribe and share it to your friends. Right now I'm just tying my hair to go to bed, but in the description down below you see the timestamps, my social media, and the supplies that I have, and the Youngther company on Amazon. I should have incorporated more photos, but that's besides the point. Participate in my Instagram poll to determine my next video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!